Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Fully energized again. Taking about a week and a half off. Now I'm back to put in the work again. The reason why I took the week off, start a new job. So I have to find my feet, find my free time, and we're ready again. We're ready again. So, to kick off this one, we're here with Skeng. Cheese. Anybody who don't know Skeng? People that's outside of Jamaica that don't know who Skeng is. Skeng is one of the hottest dancehall artists right now. We are brought up the road. And this guy is very talented. And I'm far for go see him way. You understand? So big up yourself, Skeng. We're gonna jump straight to the one here and see where you send me, G. Let's go. Let's go. I'm happy to be back too. Whoa!
Hey, gunman, you're Russian them. You don't know they'll to the badness.
Big up Russian twinner.
Let's cogitate at the money, man, I meditate. Fling 100 million down on the plate. Tell my friend them go on a holiday. Cheap bitch in the Benz one like every day.
Yo, the youth, anytime him start talk, let alone sing, you know, listen, that's Skeng. That is Skeng voice. You can't get rid of it. You understand? Easier to stay. Big up Russian. Russian produced this one. Russian are one of the biggest out of Jamaica. Used to work with Cartel. Well, work with Cartel same way. And the other top stars them. You understand? Like Papi and them man, the same way. But let's go, man. Yo, the man I tell you, I want to live here now. From this to yes, so. Man say him dash 100 mil down on the plate and tell him friend them go on holiday. That is loyalty. Once him a make money, him friend him a make money. That is loyalty. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm wearing these glasses, these are my gaming glasses. Black out all of the light and thing. So don't worry about it. Let's go. Yo, what's that? The Russian there.
Them can't get to do it, cause we are like the street from Spain to Gaga bush. We are on for the cheese on the line with the lace of couple late banger there too.
This bad. This is an next hit. Like, this is an next hit, no joke. This is an next hit.
We are rub up in the island and tear in the place. If you look at the street from Spain to Gaga bush. We are on for the cheese on the line with the lace of couple late banger there too. We are rub up in the island and tear in the place.
We have couple headbangers there too. We are rub up in an island and tear down the place. When I say rub up in an island, I mean them go check the Wobbe man. Them go check the Guzu man. Them go check the Science man. Them go check the Voodoo man. Get up. Them get up. I'm not gathering, you know. So don't bother even look at me like say me get up, you know. I'm not get up. Ah! Yeah.
The look at babies, they are foot. Jerome never tell a lie, and the game they go where you are do. Hustle we been up and push. Making money fast, so we never ask push. Put that if in the kit out of the hot two. Set a rule with dead from a dog, them food where you do. We know what 95 are the truth, but go on the thing, none not you follow true. From a grassroots, know what to the star on the show. If you want to know me do it, just go and go ask scope. Yo.
Hit song. It just smoothed it. It just spooned it. It's not much to say about this song. If you hear me not saying much, it doesn't mean that boys are flying over my head and no, I'm just taking in everything. I'm just proud of this guy. Like, him just a do him thing and I stay in them lane. You see me? Big up the young artists and I stay in them lane and I do them thing. You see me? Big up on yourself.
Anything them want for do, them can't get to do it, cause we are like the street from Spain to Gaga bush.
And don't make the line go away, you know. Anything them want to do, them can't do it because we are at the street. So that means, yo, listen, we fall, come take your space. Ease yourself. Our time now. That is what Skeng is saying in that next word. Anything you need a plan for, though, scrap that. Go back to the drawing board at our time now. So no matter where you try, you cannot go around we are lead. If you forget you back up, we have to go turn back. that now we are lead. Yeah, right there. Let's go.
We are on for the cheese on the line with the lace up. Couple late banger there too. We are rub up in the aisle and the tear in the place. If you look at babies, they are foot. Jerome never tell a lie on the game, they go where you are do. He's another money transaction. We know man load up a millions. Never son sinners just a do the action. Check on make a one call, connect up with one dance. If he send nuts man for the operation. Now we rasta waiting on 7-seater. With couple Asian I clean up the paper. You straight to the top like elevator. You know anything them want for do. Them can't get to do it cause we are like the street from the Spain town Gagla bush. We are hunting for the cheese on the line with the lace up. Couple leg banger there too. We are rub up in the aisle and the tear in the place. If you look at babies, they are foot. Jerome never tell a lie on the game, they go where you are do.
Yo, this bad. Yo, this bad. This bad. No joke. This bad. This have a vibe to it where you make your half a bang. Couple late bangers to your foot. Yo, Skeng, big up your bumbo clad self, dog. Big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself. Russian, big up yourself, dog. And I guess no one really even see that collab even happening between him and Russian. Because Russian is a well-known dog. Like Russian is a up there, so brother. When it comes to them thing, dog. So big up yourself, dog. You make the link and Russian make the link with you and wanna put in the work together. Big up yourself. Big up on the Skeng fan, the Ratty Gang fan, big up on yourself. You see me? Big up on the Punish Town. You don't know, so them vanish clown. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself, my G. This is how I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoy the one, don't forget to drop a like. You see me? Remember, say YouTube take away the dislike button now. So like it. It's free! Death. It's free! Guys, I'll see you in another one. Stay tuned. Alright? Peace out.